YouTube friends. How are you? I hope you are doing fine. Well, today I have something very much special that is so close to my heart, and this time I have been writing a new book that is termed as Hyperloop. I have named it Hyperloop. Apart from the fact that many of you must not be knowing about what is Hyperloop. Actually, Hyperloop is a concept in which there is a tunnel of vacuum in which the train travels. That is so called train, and it travels at a lightning speed at which you can reach any destination in half of the time that it takes today by the means of aeroplanes or bullet trains. So Hyperloop is a point where travel can be done at a very fast and intellectual speed you can take on that. So I have written a novel that terms as Hyperloop. Now, what this story is really about is for the people who don't consider themselves important, for the people who think that their life is just kind of a joke that's just happening around to them, and they don't have any self-sufficient value, who are constantly sad. As I have mentioned in this story too, that 10% of the people are happy, 20% of the people are sad, but the rest of the people don't know what they are literally doing in this world. But to the people who are really sad and who don't know what to do with the life, I have got this one for you. The point here is that make yourself out, make yourself comfortable in this earth. Earth is the baddest place and can be the best place you can live on. So this story is all about you. Now the point here is there are two characters. The first one is Aryan, the second one is Arushi. So they were living in the year 3410. The concept I need to clear through this YouTube video is year 3410 is past year. That means after there was a year, like I can just explain you in a random thought process, that there was a year 3410. By the year 3410, this year is not such that after 2020 it will come 2100, then it will come to 3400, then it will come to 3410. No, it's not like that. The point is 3410 was a year. After that, some point came when everything started vanishing, or you can say 3410 was a year in the year 7426. That's a fictional year in which the entire universe ended. Entire universe got sublimed into a simple point. Then after millions and billions of years, that point collapsed into Big Bang. Now that explosion of the Big Bang caused the entire universe to spread, new planets were formed, and there was a planet that was termed as Earth. In that very year, there was no such planet as Earth, but the name was different. The place they were living, they were occupying Mars, the moon of Saturn, that was Titan, and number third there was a Earth-like planet. The names I have mentioned are Earth, Mars, and Titan for your understanding, but these were completely different. Now after that, what happened was Arushi and Aryan were, kind of couples. Means Aryan liked Arushi too much, and Arushi was of a point that she didn't wanted to accept Aryan as like you can see, Arushi was the girl who didn't wanted to accept Aryan as a boyfriend. Because of simpler reason, because in that very world in 3410, in the year 3410, everything was robot occupied, or you can say robot occupied, or you can say everything was automated. AI was at the top front, and everything was working like humans were considered nothing. Today we considered animals as nothing. They are just walking by us. They don't speak, they don't understand our feelings, but they have language of their own that we cannot understand. So we consider them as nothing because they don't have money, they don't have voice. So similarly, robots were taking over in the year 3410, and there was an advancement in the world. Humans were just left, few humans were left, but else other than that, everyone was anti-humanoid robot. And when robot were taking over, the robots were in a majority position, that they were taking the entire three planets, and they were also taking the system that were in regulation at that very point of time. So for the time being, they were testing time machine. They were testing time machine so that they can go back. Actually, robots were having the mentality, means they don't have any mentality. The programming was such that they were having a thought process that why we are only living in the three planets, not in the entire solar system, not in different universes. So they wanted to trace back to their past. They wanted to look that what was the real problem, why we are living in just three planets today, and why the humans are in less size, less quantity, why we exist, why the robots exist. They wanted to look onto that, so they made time machine. They never knew that they cannot go to past by the means of time machine. You can go to future, but you cannot travel to past. For traveling to past, you need wormhole. For creation of wormhole is too much different. I'm a science student. I can basically tell you that wormhole is of very minute size, of a point size, or you can say dot size. Its creation is very difficult. Maybe wormhole is around you, but you cannot see it. So by the means of wormhole, you can travel back to time, but by the means of time machine, you cannot travel back to time. You can travel forward in time. So similarly, Arushi and Aryan were the group. One day, the testing was going on, so the humans were taken into consideration that for the time machine testing, you should be there in the testing, and it was against their wishes. Means if robots were living here and robots said that Rajat, you need to go for the time machine testing, and the point is, we don't know you will come back or not. That is definitely, they said that you are going to die anyway soon. So definitely it was a point that I can die there. I can basically die there. So that was a point there. And what happened was, they lived their life. One day it was a dancing competition. It was going on, and the girl, that was Arushi, literally cried when they took away Aryan. They took away Aryan for time machine testing. Aryan goes for the time machine testing. There was some rigorous point that you can travel to future at a certain point. Means if today time machine was invented, this year is 2020. So by the means of time machine, I can travel to a time in which time machine was invented. That means it is a complicated concept. I can just tell you that from the time machine from 2020, you can travel till 2050 or till 2060. That's maximum you can go through. But here what happened was, Aryan, tra- Aryan traveled to a different dimension overall. That means the dimension was considered as non-relevant. That means in today's generation also we have four dimensions: time and the three dimensions: solid, liquid, and gas. But the other dimensions we don't know because we don't see them. So Aryan traveled to different dimension, means he traveled to Earth in 2020. That means he traveled back to the future at an extent that the entire solar system and universe collapsed. Again it formed, again Earth formed, and then he went on to the planet Earth in the year 2020. He was born to a Punjabi family. Now in search of Aryan, Arushi comes. Arushi travels to the time machine being there. The time machine concept was there. Arushi travels to the time machine, and she travels on the basis that she would find Aryan and she can convey everything that she wanted to convey. That she wanted to say I love you. She wanted to say many things that she was not able to say. And by the virtue of time machine, she traveled forward in time, and she reached to planet Earth in the year 2020. Now the point was, it took 24 years for Arushi to reach planet Earth, and at the time of year 2020. But in that 24 years, Aryan, who was born in Earth, got nearly of the age of 25 years. So now, when Arushi meets Aryan, it will be 25 years of Aryan, and Arushi will be there, who's a time traveler. The point came when they both met, and Rahul was the name to which Aryan was born in Earth 2020, and Rahul was having a girlfriend. And then Arushi sees them. Arushi sees both of them. So it is a concept in which you feel that how you cannot say something to a person and how your life changes in a moment of time. So time is the most powerful thing in the universe. Respect the time. You don't know when people can come across to a situation where everything will end, and you are not able to say anything to any person. So whoever your loved ones are, your parents, your wife, your girlfriend, your children, anybody, whomever you love, just mention it. Just tell them what they mean to you, because time is something that makes you regret a lot. Time is something that makes you happy, but time is something that makes you regret a lot. So with that message, I can say that just go on and spread happiness, because the problem is, the person who is leaving, this person is leaving, that doesn't hurts, that this person is leaving. What hurts is that that person won't return, that person won't ever come back. That thing, I think, hurts the most. So go on there. Ask your parents, ask your wife, ask your children. Just love them, just tell them how important they are, because time is a factor that will destroy you forever. The person you are meeting, it means, for example, your parents that you are meeting, your brothers and sister that you are meeting, your girlfriend or your wife, your children's, whomever you are meeting in your life, this is the last time you are meeting them in this position, in this form, in this life. This time will never come that you will meet them again. And if it happens that you will meet them again in another earth, in another time period, those persons will not have similar feelings that they have now for you. So please just respect them, love them, care for them. Time is a powerful thing. Just remember, go and read. I have told you just the gist of my new novel, Hyperloop. So Hyperloop is available on Juggernaut app. Go and read this entire story. I feel that you will love it, and that was my only message for everyone around here. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you very much for going through this video. I hope I will see you in my next video. So thank you very much.